Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to deploy microservices using Jenkins. For that, you need to go to your GitHub account and create a new repository, JTS candidate agreement service, and make sure the repository is private. So after, go to your command prompt. Here you have to set username and email for global. For that, give the command git config -global user.email. Enter your GitHub account email ID. So after that, set your username. Enter your GitHub username, Santosh Kumar SM02. That is my GitHub username. And after that, you need to go to your current directory, that is where your file, microservice file exists. Go to your folder and copy the path. Go to your directory. So after that, you need to set username and email for local. For that, change the global to local. So remove the global. So hit enter. So after that, you need to set username. Enter user dot name. Hit enter. So after that, give the command git init. This command is used to initialize a new git repository in your current directory. So after that, give the command git add. So it is used to stage changes in your working directory for the next commit. Next, git commit -m initial commit. This command is used to create a new commit in your git repository. So after that, give the command git branch to check on which branch you are in. So you're in the main branch. So after that, so you need to enter the command you need to enter the command git remote set url origin along with the url. So at the end, you have to enter the username and the repository name. So go to GitHub and copy the repository link. So here in the end, you have to enter your username and the repository name. Remove it and paste it here. So that is Santosh Kumar SM / GTS candidate agreement service. That is my repository name. So after that, you need to enter the token which you have created in your GitHub account. So here you have to enter your token. So after that, copy the command git branch -m main, hit enter. So after that, git push -u origin main. This command is used to push the file into your GitHub repository. So make sure you have enter right command. Hit enter. Here you can see the file is pushing to your Git repository. So it's done. Now go to your GitHub, refresh the page, and here you can see the microservices file is uploaded to your GitHub repository. This is how you can push your file into your GitHub repository. After that, go to your AWS account. Here you have to run your EC2 instance. So connect it. So here in the EC2 instance, you have to install Maven, Java, and Jenkins to deploy the microservices. So here clear the screen. So take sudo access, sudo -i. So after that you need to go to your opt directory. Here you have to install Maven. For that, go to Maven official page, copy the path. So here give the command wget and paste the path. Wget is used to download the files from the web. So hit enter. So here the file is downloaded. Now you have to extract the file. For that, give the command tar -xvzf and paste this path. So this command is used to extract the file from the compressor tarball. So after that, here you can see the extracted file. So you can rename the file. For that, give the command mv, paste this path, at the end give a rename, hit enter. Here you can see the rename was successful. Next, give the command sudo apt update. This command is used to update your package list on the Debian based systems. Wait for some time. So after that, you need to install Java. For that, give the command sudo apt install open jdk hyphen mention the version and -y. So here you can see the OpenJDK is installing. So after that, check the version, Java -version. Here you can see open JDK 11. So after that you have to set the path of Maven. For that go to folder vi bash.profile, bash underscore profile. Here you have to set the path for Maven. So enter the command like this. This command is help to set the Maven path. So after that save that file and exit from the VI editor. So after that give the command source tilde / dot bash underscore profile. This command is used to execute the command in your bash profile. So after that check the Maven version. Here I can see the Maven path setting is successful. Exit from the opt directory. Here you have to install Jenkins. For that go to Jenkins official page and select the Linux operating system, and here you have to run these commands to install Jenkins on your EC2 instance. Copy that first code, so paste it here and hit enter, and copy the second command, paste it here and hit enter. Copy the third command, sudo apt get update, paste it and hit enter. Lastly sudo apt get install Jenkins. Give yes. It takes some time to install. Here you can see the downloading is successful. So check the Jenkins version. Here you can see version of Jenkins. Next you need to go to your AWS and here go down, click security. Here you have to open port number 8080 because Jenkins works on port number 8080 only. And here select all traffic and save the roles. So after that go to your instance. Here you have to copy the public IP address, copy that and go to new tab, paste it here. along with the port number 8080. Hit enter. Here you can see the Jenkins page is opened, and you have to copy this path and go to your EC2. Here give the command cat along with the path. Hit enter. Here you can get password for the Jenkins. So copy this password. Go to Jenkins, paste it here and continue. Here select install suggested plugins. So here you can see the Jenkins getting started. So it will take some time to install all the necessary plugins and libraries. Here you have to create a new user. Give the username, password and full name along with the email ID. After 7 continue. So here 7 continue. So Jenkins is ready. So start Jenkins. Here you can see the Jenkins main page is opened. So here firstly you have to install some basic plugins. For that go to manage Jenkins. Here go to plugins. So here go to available plugins. Here type Maven integration. Select this and install it. So here you can see the plugin is installed successful. So after that go to manage Jenkins. Here go to tools. So scroll down. Here add Maven. So give the path Maven home for the Maven configuration. So After that, here you have to enter the path of the Maven where you have installed in your EC2 instance. So type /opt Maven. So entered in a small letter. So after that, hit apply and save it. So after that, go to new item, create a new project, JTS, candidate, agreement, select Maven project and click OK. So after, give some description for this project, GTS, candidate, agreement, or we can give project, GTS candidate agreement project. Scroll down. Here select Git, and here you have to enter Git repository URL. So go to your GitHub account and go to your repository. So here go to code and copy the URL, come back to Jenkins and paste it here. So hit enter. Here you got a error because you are trying to link a private repository with the Jenkins. So for that you need to enter your GitHub credential with the Jenkins. So go to dashboard, in the dashboard go to manage Jenkins. Here go to credentials. Here go to systems. So here I have already set the credential to the Jenkins. So here click global credential. Here go to setting. Here you have to enter the username of your GitHub account, and in the credential part you have to enter your token of the GitHub account. So and hit save. So ID you can give, or it will automatically generate, and hit save. So here you can see the username and token linking is successful. So after that, go to dashboard. Here go to your project. After that, go to configure. So scroll down. Here in the credential, you have to select your credential and scroll down. Here you have to enter your branch, that is main, and scroll down. In the goals and options, give the command clean packages. So after that, scroll down, apply, and hit save. Here in the dashboard, click build now. So it will start the building process. So just click one time, do not click more than one time, and wait for some time to build the project. After building successful, so go to your EC2 or AWS account and make sure the RDS is available, and after that go to VS Code, give the command mvn clean package, So it will start the building process. Here you can see build successful. So after that, enter the WSL. After entering WSL, give the command sudo docker login. So enter the password. Here you can see login successful. So after that, go to your EC2. Here take the command sudo apt get update. So after, give the command sudo apt get install docker.io. So this command is used to install the docker to your EC2 instance. Give yes. Here you can see the docker installation is successful. So give the command vi docker file. So you have to create a docker file, and inside the docker file you have to enter the command like this. So here from the OpenJDK you have to open the port number 4704, that is the candidate agreement service port number, and you have to copy the GTS agreement jar file from the target file. So after that you have to run the command java-jar and path of the jar file. So this command is used to run the jar file. So save it and exit from the VI editor. So after that, create a file vi push.sh. In this file you have to enter the command like this. So copy the file from the path, that is var lib Jenkins, and you have to assign the port number, that is 4704, and you have to build the image. So I have missed the command -t, that is used for tag, and also I have missed -d. So make sure you have entered properly. before executing. So in the building command we have to enter dot. It is represent the current directory. So save the file and exit from the way editor. After, give the command /push.sh to run the push.sh file. So permission denied. So you need to give the permission for that chmod 777 push.sh. You need to give the permission to run that file. So now try to execute that file again. ./push.sh. Here you can see the pulling process is started. Here you can see it's done. Now give the command docker ps -a. Here you can see deploying of microservices using a Jenkins is done. So this is how you can deploy microservice with the help of the Jenkins.